So consider you're maintaining a big database company. So you need to search a particular element. So you cannot search the entire database for that, which increases your time complexity as well as which increases your space complexity even. So for that we have some searching algorithms in order to do it easy. So we'll in this list we'll be discussing about searching algorithms. But today video is only about linear search, which is one type of searching algorithm. Okay, as you can see on the screen, linear search is also known as sequential search. Why it is known as sequential search? I'll tell you a bit later. Okay, is a method of finding an element within a list. So we will give an element and it will search the entire thing to find that element. Okay, that is nothing but a linear search, which search using sequential manner. Okay, as you can see on the screen here, this is linear search algorithm. Consider this array. Okay, so this is the array. So this is array, our array. Okay, we are searching 20 element in this. So for the step 1 we are comparing index position 0 with the search element, that is 20. If found, it will return the index position value, or else it will skip to next element. The next element is array at position 1, that is at index position 1 5, but we are searching the element 20, which is not true, so we are skipping. We are jumping to the next index position. Like this we are searching in sequential manner, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, one after the other, until the end of the array. So linear search is also known as sequential search. Okay, I hope you got the point. So if element is found, see, element is found at index position 5, right? So here element is found at index position 5, so it returns this index position value where the element is present. If the element is not present, we can print the element is not found in the array, or we can print -1 since the element is not found, and so on. So let's see the program for this. So this is the program for that. As you know, this is a header file which need not to be explained, and the main function is of integer type, return type is of int, so we are returning values at last. Okay, see, we are declaring an array of 20 size. This I is used for incrementing the index position values, since we need to compare the elements and we need to increase the index positions and compare with all the elements if element not found. So for that we are declaring this I value. Okay, and this x is nothing but a searching element, and this n represents the size of an array, how many elements are to be stored in an array. So here you can see that uh, how many elements, we are asking how many elements are there, and we are scanning that variable in n. Then we are finding the array, we are asking to enter the array elements. For that we are repeating the loop from 0th position until the size of given array, and we are scanning all those elements. Okay, so which represents like this, the size will be 8 here. So 8 elements are to be stored from index position 0 to 8. The loop is repeating and scanning all the elements. Okay, and we are asking to enter the search element, and this search element is stored in x variable. Okay, so again we are repeating the loop, since we need to check from the starting index position. As you can see here, we are from starting to the next position if not found, and the next position if not found, and the next and the next, until the item is found or the entire array is searched. Okay, so for that, until the array reaches its maximum size, we are repeating that. Okay, so we are writing condition if a of I double equals to this x represents the searching element. Okay, this is searching element. A of I, here I value will be differing from 0 to next 1 2 and so on. So if the condition matches, we are writing break statement and we are printing that index position value here. Okay, or else if the entire array is searched but no element is found, we are returning -1 here. So that's it. this is about linear search. I hope you understood this video. So this is one of the searching technique. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll be discussing some other searching algorithms. The searching algorithms can be mainly used in finding an element, where you need to find elements in data structures and so on. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you'll never miss an update. And I'll give you my Instagram page link in the description so that you can follow me there, where I'll be posting the coding challenges and all related stuff. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.